Hey, Rodrigo, do you have a moment? I need to ask you something important. Sure, Sam. What's up? You don't look good, man. What happened? I wanted to ask you something. I know it's kind of personal, but oh, this is embarrassing. Sorry, but can you lend me some money? Lend you money? I don't know. What do you need it for? Well, I really want to buy a new car. My old car is already falling apart. It's noisy, slow, and sometimes it doesn't even start. I need to change it. I've been thinking about this for a long time, and I found one that I really like. But there's one big problem. I don't have enough money for that. Oh, I see. But Sam, this isn't the first time you ask for a loan, right? Yeah, I know. I hate asking, but you know how it is. I work, I save a little, and then something unexpected happens, and boom, my money disappears. I understand. Life is expensive, but maybe instead of borrowing money again, you should think about how to make extra money. Don't you think? Rodrigo, don't you think I've tried? I watched videos, read blogs, and everyone says the same thing: save money, buy and sell things, teach something online, open a business. It sounds easy, but in real life, it's not. I even tried betting once, lost more than I won. Yeah, I get it. It's true. Online advice sounds so easy, but real life is different. But listen, I'm not going to give you those same tips again. I've actually tried a few things myself, and some of my friends have too. And I can tell some ideas really work. You just have to be smart and consistent. Really? Like what? I'm tired of hearing the same recycled advice. Okay, let me give you some real examples. First one, skill swapping. One of my friends is great at fixing phones. I helped him set up a small Instagram page. He started offering phone repair for cheap. But here's the smart part: he started offering to swap services too. For example, he fixed a designer's phone, and the designer made him a cool logo and flyers. He didn't use money, just traded skills. In a few months, he was getting paying customers. Hmm, that's interesting. So, no big investment. That's cool. Exactly. It was low risk. Now he fixes 5 to 6 phones a week after work. Not millions, but it helps a lot. Another idea: renting things you don't use. I had a camera I never used. Instead of selling it, I started renting it to people. People who wanted to make videos or take photos. Just $10 a day. Sounds small, but it adds up. In 1 month, I made 200 just with that camera. Wait, people really rent that stuff? Wow, that's impressive. I didn't know that. Absolutely. Especially now with content creators everywhere. You can rent cameras, tripods, lighting, even costumes, whatever you have. Oh, another friend rents out party decorations from her garage. People don't want to buy stuff for just one event, they want to borrow. Man, I never thought about that. I have some old tools at home. Maybe I could rent those to neighbors. I think that is an interesting idea. That's the spirit. Now, here's another: use your job to find opportunities. I don't mean anything illegal or weird. I mean, observe the problems people have. At our office, remember how the computers were super slow last year? Yes, it was a nightmare. Happily, they are better now. So, I took a free course online about cleaning and upgrading computers. Then I offered to help some coworkers for $20 each. I cleaned their systems, removed junk files, installed antivirus. I made 180 in 1 week. That's genius. You're not just working, you're watching, learning, and using what you see. That's very smart. Well done. Exactly. Another tip: combine small things. For example, do a small service online while you watch TV, or use cashback apps for things you already buy, or sell digital notes from online courses you already finished. It's not big money, but when you combine these things, it adds up. Yeah, I always ignored service because they pay so little. Sure, but if you do 10 of them during your free time, that's 10 or $15 a day. That's 300 a month for just clicking buttons while sitting on the couch. True. I guess I've been waiting for big money to come all at once. That's the trap. We all wait for the big fish and ignore the small ones. But small fish feed you every day. And I'm gonna tell you something. One day, if you are consistent, the big fish arrives. Believe me. Man, I needed this talk. I've been in a loop. Spend, borrow, repeat. I know. I've been there too. But the key is not to wait for some perfect business idea. Just start with something small, low risk, and repeatable. Try three things at the same time. If one fails, you still have two. Okay, I'm going to sit down this weekend and make a list of things I can rent, things I know how to do, and maybe even start offering something at work. And remember, don't tell yourself it's too little. A drop every day fills the glass. Wow, thanks, Rodrigo. I didn't expect to have this conversation. You didn't give me money, but you gave me something better, a plan. And that plan might just get you the car you want without debt this time. I hope so. And maybe next time I'll be the one giving you advice. That's the goal. Let's make money the smart way, bro. If you could improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. Thank you very much for your support.